back in the shop today with the M5. We're going to be doing something I've been wanting to do for a little while, and that is to get rid of the primary cats. I may get rid of all the cats, but I'm going to start with the primaries, see what that does for the sound. Really don't want it to get raspy on me. Right now I'm pretty happy with the sound with just the muffler deletes. I will probably be doing something different with that. You can see it's not the greatest job the way they did it, and I don't really like the tips the way they're offset. It looks kind of weird. But for now, we're going to get the sound where we want it, and then we possibly might go with an all-new system. So let's get started, see how it goes. I don't think it's going to be too bad to get up in there and see if we can get them gutted out. Okay, so this is the current setup. Previous owner just simply had some muffler shop cut the original piping right here where the original mufflers used to sit and put in some trashy steel pipe that's almost rusted off, along with some tips that don't fit too great. You can see they're offset and it doesn't fit the bumper at all. So not really happy with that. I will probably be doing something different with them. Just depends if I decide if I want like it straight or if I need to put mufflers in. Most likely going to be putting mufflers in, but we'll worry about that another day. So still got the factory resonator, secondary cats, and then we got the primary cats up in there. I'm going to be disconnecting it right here on both sides and then dropping the whole exhaust system down out of the way. And then I'm going to try to get the cats knocked out, hollowed out. So see how that goes. Let's see here. 17. There we go. So we got an EGTs and O2 sensor that we'll have to get rid of. And it looks like I might have to drop this side panel to pull it out. I was hoping I could sneak it out without doing that, which I might be able to just bend it. The bolts holding the cat back to the headers or primary cat is an external, I think it's a 12 external torque. So we got that there. And then maybe we'll be lucky and can get them with an open end. These are 22 millimeter or 7/8. Try this side. Start working on the cats. It's kind of hot. Hopefully we can get it done today. If we look up right in there, hopefully that'll focus for you. That is what we got to get rid of. See how it goes. Let's go get my drill and we're going to try to drill them out. I think that's going to be the best method at this point. me get these. Two sensors out up here. We are ready to go to work. What I normally use for gutting cats is I got a long, probably like 14, 16 inch long drill bit here, and I just simply start working around, drilling a bunch of holes through, trying to go kind of drill holes every so often, kind of around the exterior, and break it into chunks big enough to fish through the hole here. These should be fairly simple. Drill should be plenty long, so let's see how it goes. Go find my drill. Alright, so now I found a drill, now I need to go find a battery. Alright, we're in business. See how it works. Well, battery is dead. Okay, since my battery is dead, and I'm not sure, somebody must have taken my others, I'm going to try a little bit more aggressive methods. See if I can just punch through it. Nah, that's not quite as nice. Don't really like that. Definitely prefer the drilling. So I'll let the battery charge a little bit and try again. Alright, so after about 2 hours of drilling and hammering, we've got the cats gutted. These have definitely been the worst cats I've ever gutted. Still got to kind of straighten out the pipe. You can see here from all my pounding and prying and stuff, I ended up deforming that pipe a little bit. So we got to straighten that out, throw the cat back on and see how she sounds. Alright, so unfortunately I didn't get any more footage of gutting the cats. I just decided to get the job done. I think I had left you where my battery had died, so after I got my batteries charged, I went back to drilling. And these cats are the worst I've ever gutted. I've gutted a lot of cats, and didn't think about it when I started, but the BMW Sport cats are metal. So there's no breaking them up. It's like a whole wad of tin foil. So everything had to be drilled. If you can see here, it's actually like foil, corrugated foil. So normally a lot of the modern cats, you drill a couple holes up and they break into little pieces, and you either suck them out or take a long needle nose pliers in there and pull the pieces out. Well, this was not the case. So drilled and drilled and drilled, and also it's hard to drill through it because it's just foil. It just kind of wants to twist around. I think it ended up taking me almost 3 hours to get both of them done. You can see the aftermath here. Big mess on the floor that I have to clean up. I ended up switching to a paddle bit, which seemed to work a little better, and I think if I would have started with that in the beginning, I probably could have done it a little faster. But at least it's done. The car's running great. Hopefully I'll be making some videos of the sound with, at this point, it's no rear mufflers and no primary cats. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe for more M5 action this summer. I got some pretty fun things going on with it this summer, so stay tuned for that.